Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this, the 3 pack, and I was really excited to unbox this from the moment I actually got this because I specifically bought this for this Huracan here. It was available a lot, when I bought this. So when I bought this in one, I think what is that? Toys R Us. There was sorry, Toy World. Okay, there was only one available, but the moment I went to there is a Toys R Us in the same mall. When I bought this, it was like I can literally see 5 or 6 boxes of this alone. There, it was available, but due to this, what do you call it, this customs and everything, I was afraid to buy a lot. So I already bought a lot, but I don't want to buy another 3 pack, like multiple 3 packs, and get caught. So I didn't buy. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, is there any other way to get this out without damaging the package? I don't think so. So we need to cut the package here somewhere. Okay, maybe cut from here. Okay, let's do that. So that way we can keep it back. Yeah. Okay, so we did correct, cut correctly, I guess. Let's pull it out. So the only thing I really hate about this kind of set like this 3 piece or 5 piece, they always include one fantasy casting in most of these things, unless or until it's more specific to a brand like Chevrolet or Lamborghini. You can see everything Chevy or Lamborghini or Ford or a Dodge, the Mopar set like this. But rest of the things like this, you will get one random shitty fantasy car. I I did get a comment about trash talking fantasy car in my Instagram. So one guy he actually told me you were trash talking a lot about the fantasy cars. I didn't. Okay, I did trash talk, but not on every fantasy car. I do love a lot of fantasy cars. More specifically, that Extreme Team Extreme Twin Mill, which I unboxed, I think more than 1.5 years ago. That was a beautiful casting, and I don't remember I unboxed a lot of fantasy casting. The recent one, Track Dragon, I think I unboxed, and apart from that, maybe one or two more. This will be the like fourth one, I guess, max to max. Okay, let's start from the fantasy itself, since people are really they just want to know why I'm trash talking the fantasy cars. Let's see if this one changes our mind. Okay, so this one comes under this X-Ray Racer series. Okay, fine. Okay, so I want to understand. Okay, they have this track symbol here, which means it will perform well on track. And more specifically, if you guys are wondering, let me just. Okay, yeah. Okay, one more thing. So most of these cars which has this track symbol, which means, like I said, it performs well on the tracks. It has metal chassis and plastic body. The reason is, if your chassis is made of metal, it will be more grounded to the track or whatever you are planning to play with it. So that's the one of the reason they do that. But I personally don't like that. Just do the casting entirely in metal in that case, because honestly, see, I do like this casting, but the one reason I don't like about this casting is the plastic here. It feels really, really, really cheap. Honestly, you can literally get better that fake branded cars. You can get in India, like for this 150 or around that 100 rupees range. That will be more uh, good than this one. But since it's a branded car, the brand value and everything is there. But overall, the casting looks really nice. As you can see, there are a lot of paint job issues here, and I really don't like this silver theme, because it easily shows off all silver or even the pure glossy black. Both this, the glossy silver and glossy black, always shows whatever imperfections the casting is. I don't know why they are going with it every time. As you can see, the fingerprints which I did from my finger now and everything, you can see very easily. And it already has some level of scratches. Again, I bought this in Malaysia, not in India, if you guys are wondering. Okay, let's let's do the review first, and then we can weigh the casting separately, and then we'll do the roll test separately. Okay, let's see what I missed out first. Okay, it doesn't have any other details apart from that. It is just transparent, that's it. Looks like it has some engine details here, but it's fine. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, what is this exactly? Okay, custom Chevy. Okay, so now this, okay, out of the box, this looks so beautiful because you can see the color changing a little bit. It is really shiny, and it gives you that, how we can say, that pearlescent vibe. There are what do you call that? That in seashore you will find those seashells, right? And some of the seashells has this kind of glow, that glitter. It looks exactly like this. I personally love this one. Doesn't have any tail light details, but okay. What is this? What is this? It's like a broken tail piece of a flight. I don't know what it is. Okay, but this is fully plastic. The body is fully metal. So it doesn't have any headlight detail as well here, but it is embossed. I really wish they painted something here. But the casting looks so beautiful, and the interior looks really nice. Okay, the flame paint job looks, livery looks really nice. So overall the casting looks so beautiful. It has some chassis detailing as well. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. So the this part of the exhaust, that is also plastic. So it is a separate piece here on the sides. So this particular set of rims really suits on this particular casting, which is really nice. Wow, the shine is really nice. I really love it. Okay, let's go to the last one, which I actually bought this pack for, the Huracan LP 6104. Okay. It has some scratches here, but it does have the engine detailing here, and it is good that they made it transparent, even though it does have a little bit of black shade, that black tint on the windshields and everything, but it is still clearly visible if you see it with your naked eye. And the casting looks really nice. It is not really heavy. So it has headlight details. I'm really happy about it. The logo placement is good this time. So yeah, there is some grill details here, which is good. So body is fully metal, chassis is plastic. So it doesn't have any tail light details here, but they did have this detailing at the bottom. It says Huracan, and it has exhaust details here. So I think they painted the exhaust tips. Again, I'm saying, guys, I'm looking it through a privacy protector on my phone when I'm recording this video, so I can't able to see some of the details very clearly. So I need to look over my phone, and I need to do this review one more time sometimes. Okay, so honestly, the casting looks really beautiful. I really wish they could have went with some other color apart from this, uh, you know, blank silver color, like what Majorette did, because they did this exact casting in blue with, I think, yellow stripe. That was really gorgeous. I do have this here somewhere, back of this particular acrylic case. Okay, let's weigh all these castings. Let me put everything aside. Okay, let's start one by one. Okay, let's start from the X-Raycers. 26 grams. Okay, I was expecting around that range. Okay, this I am expecting somewhere around 35 grams. Let's see. Okay, for 41 grams. Awesome. I really love this particular casting in the set. So last but not least, the Lamborghini. 29, not bad, but it is a very light casting. So okay, let's do a roll test for each one of this now. Let's start with the X-Racers, because it is exactly mentioned, more specifically designed for tracks. So let's see how it performs. Shit. It is okay. It's not really that fast, but it rolls, I can say. Maybe if you lift up the track a little bit more, I think it will go fast. Yeah. So if you are just winging it out, then it is rolling really fast. It has a little bit wheel wobble on the front wheels, but nothing much. It is a good car on the track. Not the best, but good. Okay, let me put this aside and let's go for the Chevy now. That rolls really smooth and really well because it really weighs 40 grams and I was expecting this to roll really well. It does roll really well, and this is really a beautiful casting, guys. The that shine on the paint job makes a lot of difference. So I do have this flames pack, two different flames pack actually. I never actually unboxed any of those yet. Okay, it is getting one side, I guess. Let's see. It is getting you know getting rubbed on this side of the casting. So, but it rolls really well. Okay, let's go for the Lamborghini now. Okay, doesn't roll really well on the first try. Let's see. Okay, better. Third try. I think it does a little wheel wobble on the front wheel, but let's see one more time. Okay, not that much. So not that much of wheel wobble or anything, but it doesn't roll really well like other castings. But overall, it's a beautiful casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.